Good morning, boys and girls. Today I'm going to go over our problem solving for today with you. I'm going to help you unpack it and kind of give you some ideas on how you can start working on this at your house. So our problem today is Harvey is a builder. He has 9 packages of finishing nails. In each package are 15 nails. If he needs 200 finishing nails to complete his project, does Harvey have enough finishing nails? So the first thing you want to do is you're going to ask yourself what we remember from the story. So I remember that Harvey's a builder and he has 9 packages of finishing nails. And in each of those packages, there are 15 nails. Then I remember that he's going to do a job or a project, and for that project, he needs 200 finishing nails in order to complete that. The question that it's asking me is, does Harvey have enough finishing nails in order to complete his project? So once I have the important information highlighted in my story, I'm going to stop and I want to have that self-talk with myself about what do I know I need to do? Do any of the words give me clues about what I need to do? Up here at the top where it says 9 packages of, you should be seeing that as groups of. Those are not just a single 9 and a single 15. Those are 9 packages of 15. So those are our groups of. I kind of made a card to help you think about that. So I have 9 packages of 15, and I have my letter for the unknown, which is N. Why do you think I picked N? I want you to talk to yourself or maybe someone at your house about why you think I picked N for my unknown. What do I not know right now? But once I have solved for this, am I finished? Have I answered, does Harvey have enough finishing nails for his project? And I think if you're discussing this along with me, you've decided that I'm not quite finished, so I have to do something else in order to solve this problem. So after I have my N, I'm going to think about, I know that he needed 200. And again, here I see my N. So I want you thinking about, what does that N stand for? And I have to decide, what am I going to do here? What mathematical equation am I going to need in order to solve, does he have enough nails for his project? So those are a few ideas on how you can set up the problem. You might see this in a different way, and that's great. You need to solve it whatever works best for you. Maybe you want to attack it in a different way. Think about if you are working on this equation and maybe you are thinking, well, I don't know, 15, that's a big number to work with. Maybe that's one that you're like, I'm not really sure. Think about the distributive property. Could I use the distributive property? Could I decompose this 15 to make it into numbers that are reasonable for me to work with? When you are finished, don't forget that you need to answer, does Harvey have enough finishing nails? We were working on those answer statements. I wrote an example for you. Does, and this says Harvey does not. So you need to decide either he does or he does not have enough finishing nails because. And then you're going to need to justify why you chose whether he does or he does not have enough finishing nails. So happy solving. We will be back. Either Mr. Graves or I will be back on Friday with the video, and we will discuss ways that some of you solve this, and we will have a discussion with you about how you solve this problem.